Hey guys, I say hey guys, it's like one person watching this. Hey guy. Anyway, so I wanted to give a quick update on my analysis from this week. So, um, this is where I'm at. Uh, oh, here we are. So we started the week basically here on this candle here. I was expecting to see price to come down, touch the support line, and then bounce all the way back up to previous support. And I was planning to wait for it to bounce off this and then ride that trade all the way up to the support level. Unfortunately for me, so I did see this. What could have been a double bottom here, but I didn't think that that was going to be it. I thought it was going to come down and test before shooting back up. It didn't. Usually when I'm looking at my charts, I'm usually looking at a 4 hour or a 1 hour. On the 4 hour, this never really gave me an opportunity to get in, right? If you look at this, it just went boom, boom, boom all the way up. Um, you know, I guess I'm sure there's if I look at the 1 hour, let me just go back to the 1 hour. Um, I guess here I didn't want to get in because I was still thinking that okay, it's possible it might come down, and then boom, it shot up. Here, to be honest, I wasn't even paying attention when it came down here. I guess I could have got in, but the risk to reward probably wouldn't even make sense at that point. Like I was looking to get in at the bottom here and come all the way up. So uh, analysis was, I guess, half right because I got this part right, but I didn't catch it anywhere this week, which is fine. It happens, right? It's fine. But um, I am excited that now that it's reached this point, right? I'm gonna let it do what it's gonna do, and then we'll analyze again and see for next week, if we can try to catch a move. So that was that. I didn't make any trades on EU, and it did do what I thought it was gonna do, a little bit different than I thought it was gonna do, but I got to the level where I thought it was gonna go. So that's fine. Okay, so the UJ, um, I was expecting it to come down at least to the 38. Then I said if it comes to the 38, I was going to wait and see if it tests and comes down to the 50. It did. So I did catch a little bit here. First, I caught this down trade here. I actually got out the trade here. I stopped, hesitated, waited a minute, and then when it started going my way again, I went ahead and got back in the trade. But I closed it out here. Didn't take it all the way down to the 50. But whatever. That was what do you call it? Two decent trades, I guess. They were okay. They were okay. Part of my psychology that I'm working on is being able to hold these trades, right? Because if I would have could have technically I could have held this trade all the way up here and all the way down to the 50. Um, but my psychology didn't let me do that. And when I got back in, the main reason why I actually closed this trade is because I was going to sleep and I didn't want to hold it overnight. Um, and I didn't really see a good place to put a stop loss, to be honest with you. So that's how that ended up just closing that trade. And just I was like, oh, I'll just take what I can get out of this. Like I'm not going to complain. And so that's what happened. Now it came down, touched the 50, doing a little retracement. I'm not sure what it's going to do here. I'm not here to predict that at this point. I'm just looking at what if my analysis so far has been correct. I guess technically what I'm expecting next is for it to come all the way back up to this daily resistance. Is it going to do? I should move this. I'm going to go ahead and move this, even though it was part of my previous analysis. I'm just going to go ahead and move that. I don't know if it's going to. Do I think it's going to happen this week? I mean, no. I don't think so. But you never know. So anyway, for now, I'm going to watch this again. Let this go ahead and see if it stays above the 50, which I think it will. I'm bullish on this. and I think it'll come all the way back up to this daily resistance. And that's what I'm hoping. And again, I'm going to try to catch that all the way up, um, and we'll see what happens. Lastly, GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing. Um, this is not. It's been kind of I wouldn't say consolidating. Well, the last day kind of been consolidating. Um, I was looking for this to come down to the 50, and then I didn't really have I didn't have any other prediction than that. I'm bearish on this. I thought this was going to. I didn't think it was going to. So this is where we left off, right around here last week. I really didn't think it was going to come past this part. It made it a higher high, but on the last candle, these are 4 hour candles, came up, but then I don't know. I don't know what it's doing. So I do actually do have a trade in here. So I should I did take a short position. I think somewhere around here. Right, expecting price to come down to the 50. Stop loss would have to be, somewhere up here. Which, actually, I didn't want to stop loss that big. To be honest with you, I wanted it to be. I didn't want price to come past here, but it did. But anyway, I still don't see the price. I don't think price is going to shoot up. I still think price is going to come down. So I'm holding that trade to see what happens. So this is February 1st. It's Tuesday, and this is an update on my weekly analysis.